this. Okay. Okay students, today class we are discussing about generation and conduction of nerve impulse. Yesterday class continuation. Before that, yesterday we discussed about that one, the types of the neurons, you know. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಡೋ ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಸೂಡೋ ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಜನರಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದೇ ತಾನೇ ಜನರಲಿ ಯೂನಿಪೋಲಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇ ನೋ ಡೆಂಡ್ರೈಟ್ಸ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಾ? ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್. But idu pseudo unipolar neuron, it is axon is branched. Axon is branched. Okay na? So that's why it is called them as pseudo unipolar. So that's why maybe this diagram also kotu and what is the name of this antanu kelbodu. So that's why ee diagram bekanta barkodi. It is pseudo unipolar neurons. These pseudo unipolar neurons is present in the dorsal root ganglion of which cord? Spinal cord. Okay, so spinal cord nalli these are commonly present. Iga today class, okay, so generation and conduction of nerve impulse era, our nerve cells are excitable cells anta helidvi. Why our nerve cells are excitable? Because they are present in polarized state. Correct? They are present in the which state now? Polarized state. Because of this polarization, come on, what type of electrocharging we can observe inside? Electronegativity is present inside and electropositivity present outside. Ide polarity alva. Polarization, they are commonly present in the polarized state, means electronegativity inside, electropositivity outside. Okay, so that is called electronegativity, electropositivity ke main karan enandre mainly positive charged proteins. Positive charged proteins. Where does more charged, positive charged proteins are present? Outside. Okay, and inside which one is there? Negative charged proteins are present. Negative charged proteins are there. Adike electronegativity. Okay, so yesterday class, the generation and conduction of nerve impulse nalli, come on, how many phases are there? 4 phases are there. 4 phases are there. Speak out what are the 4 phases? Yes, that is called polarization. Second, depolarization. Third, repolarization. Fourth, hyperpolarization. Okay, now, so that is yesterday class we are discussed about polarization, and today class we can discuss about depolarization, repolarization, and last one is called the as hyperpolarization or hyper repolarization. Any one we can call hyperpolarization. Okay, so now once again I can discuss, I can explain that one, the polarization, then only I can go for depolarization. Okay, so polarization only, in the polarization you see this is called axon. Clear students? Axon is covered by which one? Axolemma. Axolemma nothing but in the plasma membrane of the axon is called what the name? Axolemma. This is both are called axolemma. The axolemma nothing but plasma membrane. Plasma membrane means it is consist of lipids and proteins. But which one is acts as the ion channels? Proteins are acts as the ion channels, but how many different type of ion channels are there? 3 different type of ion channels. Yesterday only we discussed. The first one is called leakage channels anta kirtivi. Second, voltage gated channels. Third one in the sodium potassium pump anta 3 channels are present. But during polarization condition leakage channels ke voltage gated channels ki any difference? Leakage channels in all situations they are open. There are 2 types of leakage channels are there. Sodium leakage channels and potassium leakage channels are there. But voltage gated channels are, they can open only in the particular time only, or particular voltage time only they can open up. But there also 2 types are there. Sodium voltage gated channels are there and potassium voltage gated channels are there. Sodium, potassium, voltage gated channels separate is there. Correct? ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇರುತ್ತರ. ಈ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ATP ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನೆನಪಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. and what is the name, small ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರೆ that is what we can call leakage channels ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಬಿಗ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್, ಎಸ್, ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ. ಈಗ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿನ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್, potassium leakage channels are more compared to which one, sodium. That is important, students. Okay, so polarized conditionally leakage channels always open. Leakage channels are open in the polarized, depolarized, repolarized, even in hyperpolarization also leakage channels are open. ಈ leakage channels in the command which ions are commonly enter, that is called K plus ions. Secondary K plus ion channels, leakage channels are more, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ more K plus ions are enter into the which one, enter into exoplasm. Exoplasm ಗೆ one more name ಏನು, intracellular fluid ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈಗ next one, outside the exolemma what is present, extracellular fluid. Same here also extracellular fluid is present. Clear? So during the polarization time which influx is occurs, which influx is occurs, which one influx is occurs, K plus ion. Secondary K plus ion channels are more is there, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ more amount of the K plus ions are enter into which one, enter into exoplasm. That's why exoplasm ನಲ್ಲಿ more K plus ion concentration and less Na plus concentration. Correct? More K plus ion concentration plus less Na plus concentration is there. At the same time which charged proteins also present here, negative charged proteins. Because of the negative charged proteins electronegativity present inside. Correct? Wrong? But why electropositivity present outside? Because of the which one, yes, because of the more sodium ions alla, adonde reason alla, okay na. So because of the which one, more positive proteins. Correct? More positive proteins are there, adike electropositivity outside, electronegativity inside. Idu resting time nallira, andre resting andre meaning enna, if the nerve is not conduct any impulse, that condition is what we can call resting. Resting conditionally, okay na, the electropotential difference is present across the exolemma, what we can call resting potential anta karitara. Resting potential, ee resting potential we can express electropositivity outside, electronegativity inside. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತರಾ? resting potential and the meaning, the electrical potential difference present across the exolemma during resting condition is called resting potential. ಈ ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಜನರಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್, -70 millivolts. -70 millivolts ಆಫ್ ಓಕೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನರ್ವ್ ಸೆಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಕೆನಾ -70 millivolts ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್, ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದರ axon, same this is one also called axolemma. ಮತ್ತೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೇಬಲಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ axolemma. ಈಗ axolemma ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ axon ನಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು 3 parts, 3 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ axon. ಸೊ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. which one, axon. Axon I am dividing to 3 parts. Okay, so now depolarization when it is start, yes, when the stimulus cause impulse, when the stimulus cause impulse, ಈ impulse nothing but which potential ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ, action potential ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀರಾ. action potential ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಸೆಡ್ anyone they can change that one the position or okay they can change that one the position of the axon is we can call which one, the stimulus andre either we can either with the help of the pin we can press that one also, it is also stimulus. Either we can pinch also, it is also stimulus. Either we can beat also, it is also stimulus. So now I cause the stimulus in the which region, the A region ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಎ ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್, ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಜನರೇಟ್. ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. So action potential ಯಾವಾಗ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ immediately here already I said which gated channels are open, come on, which gated channels are open, sodium gated channels are open. So that's why during the depolarization time sodium, okay na, voltage gated channels are open, sodium voltage gated channels are open during depolarization. Same here also, suppose here also sodium gated channels idre, okay. So through sodium gated channels, come on, which one is enter into the exoplasm? Sodium ions, okay na, sodium ions are more enter here. Okay students, okay. ಈಗ next one, leakage channels always present. Leakage channels ಇಂದ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ passively electrons ಅಂದರೆ sodium ions ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, potassium ions also movement ಆಗುತ್ತೀರ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ಓಕೆನಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಾಸಸ್ influx of sodium ions into which one? Exoplasm ಗೆ one more name ಏನೋ ICF ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, intracellular fluid. Clear? So that's why in ICF under intracellular fluid nalli commanda, okay. So which type of nature is increases? Not only sodium ions, right? Even positive charged proteins also enter. That's why in ICF commanda, which one is generate? Electropositivity is generate. Clear? And at the same time normal K plus ion channels are there. A normal K plus ion channels ಏನಂತ ಹೆಸರು? Leakage channels. So leakage channel is in the K plus ions ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. K plus ions are completely leave to outside that one through leakage channels, but less amount, okay. So ಈ ತರಹ K plus ions ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಯಿತು. Even the negative charged amino proteins also completely enter into outside. If the negative charged proteins also, negative charged proteins leaked, okay, from ICF to ECF. That's why in ECF come on, electronegativity is present. Electronegativity is generate. That's why outside the axolemma, come on, which charging is we can observe? Negative charging we can observe. And inside the axolemma, come on, which one is there? Electropositivity we can observe like this one, electropositivity. Artha students, previously which one is there? Electronegativity inside, electropositivity outside. But when the depolarization is occur, electronegativity inside, electropositivity inside, electronegativity outside. But what about B region? B region, C region is there. B and C region, it is present in polarized or depolarized state? Polarized state only. Polarized condition andre what type of charging inside? Electronegativity, okay, inside, electropositivity outside. Same here also, electronegativity, electropositivity like this. Okay students, okay na, this is the A region, B region, C region. A regionally I cause that one the stimulus, okay now with the help of this stimulus I cause that one the impulse. When the impulse is generate in the A region, okay now, so sodium voltage gated channels are open, it causes that one influx of the sodium ions into exoplasm, that is called ICF. So in ICF, electropositivity and at the same time negative charged proteins are leaked from ICF to ECF, okay now, that's why in ECF electronegativity is generated. In the ECF, okay, yes, electronegativity is developed in the ECF and electropositivity developed in the ICF. This phenomenon is called depolarization. But depolarization only, come on, the electric power or electricity is completely increased up to plus 45 millivolts. In some books they are given plus 30 millivolts, okay na. So but plus 45 correct, plus 45 millivolts of okay na. So the electricity is generated. The electricity is generated in this one, it is become plus 45 millivolts. Okay students, so now A region is there. A region nalli now which one is occurs? Action potential. Action potential andre nothing but in the depolarization. ಸೊ ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಕರ್ಸ್. ಮತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಏನು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕತ್ತ? ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜನರೇಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ದಟ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ದ ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಅದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ದೆನ್ you already know this is about the positive charging and it is called negative charging. Generally positive charge, it is completely attract the which one? The negative charge. You see the positive charge, it is attract the negative. Same here also positive charge is attract the negative charge like this one. Then what will be happen? The action potential is moving from A to B region. Correct? A region in the B region, which one is moves? Action potential is more. If the action potential is moved from A to B region, okay now, how it will be looks? This is the same diagram I am drawing here. Okay, so this is called as A region and this is called B region and this is called which one? C region. Now, if the action potential is enter into here, come on, which channels are open anta helide? Sodium channels, correct? Sodium channels are completely open. Sodium channels are open like this. If the sodium channels are open means, come on now, which ions are enter into here? Sodium ions. Same sodium ions just before in the A regionally in situation occurs. So same situation we can observe in this one. Sodium ions are entered plus positive charged proteins also entered here. That's why it is called electropositivity inside. Okay, electropositivity inside and outside, and electronegativity like this one, electronegativity. So now B region is present in the which state? Depolarized state. Okay, now this is called depolarization anta kirtara. Okay, but what about C? C region is commonly present in the which one? Polarized state. Correct? This is called polarized state. Polarized state andre here plus and here also plus is present. ಈಗ now what about A region? andre A region inda ಈಗ impulse is moved to the B region, but what about the position of the A? Yes, repolarization. ಈ repolarization ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ you see this is called the as sodium channels. Sodium channels are close ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, plus potassium channels will be open like this one. This is called K plus channels. K plus channels will be open. So K plus channels ಯಾವಾಗ open ಆಯಿತು, immediately what is happened? More number of the K plus ions are leaked into outside, more amount of the same. Here also that one same sodium channels are there, sodium channels are closed like this one, but okay, potassium channels are open like this. Potassium channels are open like this. So if the potassium channels are open and potassium ions under K plus ions are it is leaving, potassium ions are leaving from ICF to ECF. This is called repolarization. Now we are discussing about repolarization. Discuss ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Repolarization ಅಲ್ಲಿ come on now. Sodium voltage gated channel. Voltage gated channels are closed. Sodium voltage gated channels are closed. Plus K plus voltage gated channels. Voltage gated channels are open. But are you observing that one sodium voltage gated channels are opening, but at the same time, okay, even positive charged proteins also leaving. Illi ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, because of the K plus and because of the sodium ions charging ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, because of the negative charged proteins and positive charged proteins. ಯಾವಾಗ K plus ions ಜೊತೆಗೆ come on, which charged proteins also leakage is occurs? Positive charged. So positive charged leakage is occurs. What is happened? Even positive charged. Okay, so positive charged which one? Proteins. Positive charged proteins also leaked to outside, leaks to, okay, now it is completely, it is also exit to outside, it is completely exit to ECF anta barkora. Positive charged is proteins also enter into ECF. So positive charged proteins are enter into that one extracellular fluid. Okay, next one in the ECF region, come on, in the ECF region electro which one? Positivity. Electropositivity is present, and in the ICF region in the electro negativity we can observe. But don't think that once our sodium ions allide jasti, K plus ions illide jasti anta tilkobedi. Mainly you should concentrate about that on the proteins, charged proteins, correct? So repolarization time nalli K plus ions are moving, okay sir, and at the same time positive, okay na, that is about the positive charged proteins also leakage is occurs. That's why because of the positive charged proteins leakage here electropositivity is developed. Electropositivity is developed, and here which one? Electronegativity is occurs. But innondu vishayara, even repolarization alli also sodium potassium pump also open. Sodium potassium pump also open. But ade depolarization time nalli sodium potassium pump is closed. This is very important. Pump is closed. Sodium potassium pump is closed. But illi sodium potassium pump is open. Sodium potassium pump is open. Pump is open. You already know sodium potassium pump is open means what? What is the functioning of sodium potassium pump? Sodium potassium pump function. You see, suppose right here sodium potassium pump means what? Every 3 Na plus exit, correct? It causes that one. How many K plus ions? 2 K plus ions. Andre totally here Na plus ions are exit is occurs and 2 K plus ions. At the same time here K plus gated channels also open agirute, but K plus ion channels are completely moving to outside. Pump ange nadutte, okay na? So along with that one, but K plus ions are more leaving from, okay, K plus ion jotige positive charged proteins also leaving from which one? Exoplasm to extracellular fluid. That's why extracellular fluid nalli electropositivity and intracellular fluid nalli electronegativity. This phenomenon is what we can call repolarization. Ee repolarization allira same, okay na? So minus 70 millivolts of electricity we can observe. Minus 70 millivolts of electricity is present in the repolarization. So repolarization question hege keltare gotta, in the repolarization what is the major changes are occurs andre over leakage of the or overflow of the K plus ions from ICF to ECF. Artha aita, okay na? So that's why exit of K plus ions is the main important. Exit of K plus ions that is occurs in repolarization, plus K plus ion jotege positive charged proteins also exit agutte. Adike electropositivity outside, electronegativity inside. Idura repolarization anta keritara. ಈಗ last one is called them as hyperpolarization. ಈಗ last one is called hyperpolarization. ಈ hyperpolarization is also looks like a polarization, but ಈ hyperpolarization same here also, okay? K plus voltage gated channels, okay? Voltage gated channels causes excess, okay, exit of K plus ions. Excess K plus ions exit agutara. This phenomenon is called hyperpolarization. Because of the K plus jotege which one also there are? That is called positive charged proteins also exit agutara. Positive charged proteins also exit agute. So this is called excess K plus ions exit ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ it is called hyperpolarization ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈ hyperpolarization ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ -70 ಇಂದ -90 ಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. That's why what is the okay na, electricity we can observe in the hyperpolarization time -90 millivolts. -90 millivolts are present. -90 millivolts of electricity we can observe in this hyperpolarization. Electricity we can observe in hyperpolarization, students. Era ಈಗ hyperpolarization ಆಮೇಲೆ next one ಇಂದ that is called polarization ಅಂತ ಕರೀಬಹುದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this is you see here, this is called depolarization, this is called polarization. What is the name of this one? Repolarization. If you are continuous more, what we can call? Yes, if the repolarization, if it is more, it occurs, what we can call? Hyperpolarization ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ which stage will come? The polarization. So polarization ಅಲ್ಲಿ again they will come to normal position. Again they come to normal position ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ sodium potassium pump is open. ಅದೇ sodium potassium pump already repolarization time ನಲ್ಲಿ open ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ repolarization ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, hyperpolarization ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, both are very helpful for Both are helpful for to coming the depolarized nerve into polarized state. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹೈಪರ್ ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್? ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ K+ions ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೀರಾ ಹೈಪರ್ ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್. Understood? If the sodium potassium pump is open means what? Sodium ions are exit and K+ions. Okay na? But ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ when they are come to the polarized state, ಈಗ efflux of K+ions is stopped. Efflux of K+ions is stopped. So and sodium potassium pump already is there. Sodium potassium pump ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? They can send that one the sodium ions to outside and ಮತ್ತೆ K+ions are inside. ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ polarized state ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಲ್ಲ. Polarized state ನಲ್ಲಿ what are the conditions are occurs? More entry of the K+ions through leakage channels ಅಂತ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡಿವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ sodium ions are exit ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Every 3 sodium ions exit ಗೆ how many K+ are enter? 2 K+ are entered. ಅದು polarized state. A polarized state is we can observe after the which one? Hyperpolarization it is happened. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ polarization ಅಂತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Here also repolarization ಅಂದ್ರೆ coming to back. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಟು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಇನ್ ಟು polarized state. That is about the importance. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದ್ರ ಕೈಲಿ ಏನು ತುಂಬ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲೇ, ತುಂಬ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ 2018 NEET question. In the polarization condition, sodium potassium pump is there, sodium potassium pump function ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರ. Sodium potassium pump function ಇಂದ every 3 sodium ions exit, they can send 2 K+ ions into the exoplasm by using of which one? ATP, by using of ATP. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೀರಾ? B place ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? C place. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವ್ಡ್? Yes, the impulse is moved from B region to C region. Like this, entire the length of the axon, these changes are occurs. Entire the length of the axon, these changes are occurs. Okay na? I hope that one depolarization varge okay sir, we got the clarity. But repolarization is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೇಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರಪ್ಪ? ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನೆ sodium voltage gated channels are which one? Closed. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ sodium voltage gated channels are open only during depolarization. correct? Depolarization time ನಲ್ಲಿ sodium gated channels are open. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ sodium ions are more enter into here. Plus ಈ sodium voltage gated channels are okay, opening is very short time now. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂದವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಿಯರ್ sodium ions channels are completely close ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sodium ion channels are closed, but which voltage gated channels are open? K+ voltage gated channels are open. Plus positive charged proteins also exit ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So positive charged proteins are exit with the help of K+ ions. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ K+ voltage gated channels ಇಂದ K+ ions are exit ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus positive charged proteins also exit ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ electropositivity outside, electronegativity inside. Positive charging more. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಪನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ -70 millivolts ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಹೈಪರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ K+ ions ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡ್ರ ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್, ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಥರ ಮೋರ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಹೈಪರ್ ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಟು -90 millivoltsಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತರ, -90 millivoltsಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ after the hyperpolarization, come on, the next stage in the polarization. So polarization time nalli matte back, matte K plus ions are back to that one, the exoplasm. Exoplasm ge back ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. either by leakage channels ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, leakage channels ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, or either by sodium potassium pump, either by sodium potassium pump, and finally again K plus ions are reached to original place. Original place andrenda, which one is the original place of the K plus ions? Exoplasm. Exoplasm ge matte they will back. If they will back to that one, the exoplasm andre, now that state is what we can call polarization. So ee tara polarization, depolarization, repolarization, hyperpolarization matte hyperpolarization is leads to polarization. Ee tara ಒಂದು cycle ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ cycle is occurs entire the length of the axon. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ one place ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ impulse will transmission is occurs. Impulse can transmission is occurs because of this stages. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಎನಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್? ಎನಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್? ನೋ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಈ 4 ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಈಸ್, ಯು ಸಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ಸ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ -50, -70, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಥರ ಇದರ +45 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಮಿಲಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಡ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್, ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಪೋಲರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? ಮೈನಸ್. ಎಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, come on down. Yes, this is first, this is second. Itar barta idane. This is the first, this is about the second, this is about the third, sorry, this is about the third, this is about the fourth. Idi graph. ಈ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್, polarization, and second this is called depolarization, depolarization, and 3 is called repolarization, this is called repolarization, and 4th one is called hyperpolarization, hyperpolarization. ನೋಡ್ರ, ಹೈಪರ್ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ -90 ಮಿಲಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಥರ -90 ಮಿಲಿವೋಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್, ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್, ರಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್, ಹೈಪರ್ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್, ಮತ್ತು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಂದ ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್. ಇದು ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್. Sometimes maybe they can ask the graph and they can ask about graph ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಲೇಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರ, 1 2 3 4 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ, ಏನೋ 1 ಏನು 2. ಎಸ್, ಈಗ ನಾನು now I'm asking that one, in the polarization condition, come on, which channels are open? Which channels are open? Sodium potassium pump is open. Next, potassium and sodium leakage channels are open. Next, voltage gated channels are closed. Both sodium voltage gated channels and potassium voltage gated channels are closed in the polarized state. Come on, depolarization. Sodium voltage gated channels are open. ಈಗ leakage channels always open ಆಗುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. Plus potassium voltage gated channels are closed. That's why more Na plus, which one is influx is occurs. Correct? And sodium potassium pump is closed. Sodium potassium pump is closed in the depolarization. Next one, repolarization. Okay, ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ. ಇದೇ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, in the form of tabular column. ಏನೇನು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ means which channels are will be open, which channels are closed. With the help of the graph I can explain that. Okay, yes. So this is called polarization. ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಯ್ತಂದರೆ ಸಾಕ್ರ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ರೀಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೈಪರ್ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್. ಹೈಪರ್ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಈ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂದ Na ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ VGC ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇದು K ಪ್ಲಸ್ VGC ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್. ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್. ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ECF, ಇಂಟ್ರಾಸೆಲ್ಯುಲಾರ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ, ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್. ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈ ಟೂ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಪಂಪ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್? ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಓಪನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ repolarization time closed. Here also closed. Into mark ಅಂದರೆ closed ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ K ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಈ ಟೂ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಪನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ECF. ECFನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್? Come on, polarization time nalli what type of charging is present in the ECF? Intracellular, ECF alla ICF. ECF alla ICF. ICF nalli which one? Negativity. Negativity or positivity? ICF. Intracellular fluid nalli polarization condition nalli which one? Negativity. Correct. Negativity is present. Depolarization nalli positivity is present. Repolarization time nallira henge negativity. And the last one idralli also which one is there? Negativity. Here also negativity is present. Sara ee taraha ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಓದೋಕ್ಕೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಪೋಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಓದಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡಂದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ICFನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ECFನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ICFನಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ECFನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಥರ. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ವರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎಸ್, ಅದೇ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಈಗ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂರಾನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಫರ್ದರ್? ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಎಸ್. Okay, next one. Transmission of impulse. Transmission of impulse. The transmission of impulse from one neuron to another neuron, one neuron to another neuron or next neuron by which one? A gap is present, a connection is present. What is the name of that connection? Connection ಆಗ್ಬೋದು or junction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಾ? What is the name of that junction? That junction is called which one? Synapse. Correct? One neuron is connected to another neuron with the help of a junction. What is the name of that junction? Synapse. Synapse ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಈ synapse ನಲ್ಲಿ, come on now, synapse is formed by which membrane? Come on, synapse is formed by which one? Presynaptic membrane. Remember students, presynaptic membrane. Next one, postsynaptic membrane. Postsynaptic membrane. Between this membrane, come on now, between these membranes, which one is present? A gap is present. That is called synaptic cleft anta karidra. Synaptic cleft. So with the help of diagram I can explain the, with the help of diagram. Okay, this is multipolar neuron. These neurons are end with a bulb-like structure is there. Come on, speak out what the name of the bulb, bro? Synaptic knob anta karitivalla, bulb-like structure. This synaptic knob is connected to which one? Dendrites of the next neuron anta helbodu. This is called next neuron. Okay, there one neuron, another neuron, both are connected with each other, So ee tara dendrites agbodu, even cell body jotegenu idu connect agutte. ಈಗ ಈ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೆಸರು? ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್? ಸೈನಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್. ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್. ಆಕ್ಸಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ವೆಸಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ನಾಬ್. ಈ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ನಾಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ವೆಸಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಈ ವೆಸಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ಅಸಿಟೈಲ್ ಕೊಲೈನ್. ಇದರ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ವೆಸಿಕಲ್, ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ವೆಸಿಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ವೆಸಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ACH ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, ಅಸಿಟೈಲ್ ಕೊಲೈನ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ACH. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಈ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ನಾಬ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ next neuron with the help of dendrites like this. Okay, next E part. So where the synaptic knob is connected to the next neuron, that membrane is present. Can you speak out what the name of this membrane? Presynaptic membrane. This one is called presynaptic membrane. Again, next neuron membrane ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? postsynaptic membrane. This is called postsynaptic membrane. And between the presynaptic and postsynaptic membrane, one of the small gap, fluid filled gap is present, synaptic cleft. Synaptic cleft is there, and these three are together called which one? Synapse. So synapse is completely formed by presynaptic membrane, postsynaptic membrane, presynaptic, postsynaptic, and both are may not, okay na, separated by a gap is what we can call synaptic cleft. But synaptic cleft is present in all synapses? No. So based on this, synapse is again two types. Based on this, synapse is two types. Speak out what the two types of synapse? Chemical synapse. Very good. First one is called chemical synapse and second one is called electrical synapse. Chemical and electrical synapse. Electrical synapse and the two types are there. Okay, ಏನು difference? What is the difference between chemical synapse and electrical synapse? First difference, chemical synapse ನಲ್ಲಿ gap is present. ಆ gap ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಸರಪ್ಪ? Synaptic cleft. Synaptic cleft is wide ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Wide ಅಂದರೆ generally 10 to 20 nanometers wide. ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? Synaptic cleft. Synaptic cleft is, okay, is very narrow or absent. Very narrow or absent. They can completely absent in this. Very narrow or absent in this. Okay, that is very important, students. What about the second difference? Chemical synapse ನಲ್ಲಿ ACH are secreted. ACH is secreted here, but here ACH is not secreted. Not secreted. ACH is ACTH ಅಂದರೆ already I said ACH full form acetylcholine. So acetylcholine here secrete ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but here not secreted. And what about the third difference between the chemical synapse and yes, in the chemical synapse ನಲ್ಲಿ okay na, slow conduction of impulse, slow conduction of impulse is slow ಆಗಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but here super fast conduction of impulse, fast conduction of impulse. And the fourth one, which one is more common in our body? Yes, okay now, very important now, more common andre more number is present in this one only, more common, but it is less common andre rarely present in our body. So more common chemical synapse, but electrical synapse is less, very less number is present. What about in the fifth one? Chemical synapse is causes that one unidirectional flow of impulse, but idu multidirectional or bidirectional. Idu bidirectional flow of impulse. Okay students, idra chemical synapse and electrical synapse. Now I drawn that one diagram of synapse, you know, that one is which type here? Chemical synapse only. Why? Because gap is present, a perfect gap, synaptic cleft is we can observe, visible also. Synaptic cleft is properly visible, that's why it is called them as which one now? Chemical synapse. Okay, now I am drawing about the electrical synapse. Electrical synapse diagram also I am drawing. This is synaptic knob. Synaptic knob is connected to one more postsynaptic membrane like this one, but very close proximity. And you already know, come on, the receptors are generally present in the presynaptic membrane or postsynaptic membrane. Postsynaptic membrane mele matra receptors are present, these are called receptors. Here also postsynaptic membrane mele also receptors are present. These are also called receptors. This is called electrical synapse. The electrical synapse nalli are you observed students, okay na, there is no synaptic cleft. Andre presynaptic postsynaptic membranes are showing close proximity. Because of the close proximity there is no synaptic cleft here. But here synaptic cleft idra. Cleft andre meaning ಏನು? Gap. It is one of the gap. How much nanometers wide ಇದು? 10 to 20 nanometers wide ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ less than 5 nanometers ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 to 20 nanometers wide ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But ಈ synaptic cleft is a fluid filled cavity. It is a fluid filled cavity. Synaptic cleft is nothing but is a fluid filled cavity. Fluid filled cavity ಇದು. Fluid filled cavity. Okay? Yes. ಈಗ how the conduction of nerve impulses occurs across the synapse. Come on, how does the conduction of nerve impulses occurs? But ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ also stages are occurs. Suppose impulse ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ, impulse ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ now this condition is called depolarization or polarization. Now okay na, so wave of depolarization is moves to which one now? Synaptic knob. Move to synaptic knob. Itra ಒಂದು. If the wave of depolarization move to synaptic knob, what is happened means here calcium gated channels are open. On axolemma or synaptic knob. Okay, synaptic knob membrane ಮೇಲೆ very important, calcium gated channels are open. Calcium gated channels are open means it causes entry of calcium ions. Okay, entry of calcium ions from ECF. full form ಏನು? Extracellular fluid ಇಂದ calcium ions are entered. ಮತ್ತೆ calcium ions enter ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? So calcium ions causes Yes, movement of which one? Synaptic vesicles. Movement of synaptic vesicles to attach with presynaptic membrane ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. But it is not their textbook, but it is very, very important because one time they're asked, how the nerve conduction takes place or impulse conduction takes place from one neuron to another neuron. One time they're asked. That's why this information I'm giving. Okay. So calcium answer causes movement of synaptic vesicles to attach that one the presynaptic membrane. Then what is the result? Yes, okay. That is called, what is the result? Yes, synaptic vesicles. Okay, attached to which one? Yes, attached to presynaptic membrane. If they are completely attached to presynaptic membrane, okay, and rupture their wall and releases, yes, neurotransmitter. Speak out which one is the neurotransmitter? ACH. Neurotransmitter into which cleft? Synaptic cleft ಗೆ neurotransmitter is release ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. So synaptic cleft ಗೆ neurotransmitter release ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ next what is the situation? So ACH is completely binds to which one? Receptors of postsynaptic membrane and causes action potential. So action potential leads to transfer the impulse to next neuron. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್, ಲಿಸನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಡಸ್ the impulse is transmitted from one neuron to another neuron ಅಂದರೆ now the wave of the depolarization is entered here. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ they can cause that one here special gated channels are there. ಆ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಶಿಯಂ ಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತರ when the action potential or depolarization is entered into that one, the synaptic nerve. So calcium gated channels open aitandre immediately, come on, which ions are enter into synaptic vesicle? Which ions are enter into synaptic nerve? Calcium ions. So calcium ions yavaga enter agutto, immediately what their causes means, calcium ions, they can promote the movement of the synaptic nerve towards that one, the which region? Presynaptic membrane ವರೆಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Now these synaptic vesicles are now they can move towards that one, the presynaptic membrane, and later what they can release? They can release that one ACH. correct? ACH ni ತರ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ACH ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಈ ACH will be go and bind to the which one? Receptors. I already said, this is called receptor. ಈ receptor ಜೊತೆಗೆ ACH bind ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ immediately they cause the action potential in the postsynaptic membrane. Action potential ಅಂದ್ರೆ nothing but ಏನು? Depolarization. So depolarization start ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ impulse is enter into the next neuron. Clear students? ಈ ತರಹ transmission of the impulse from one neuron to another neuron. Transmission of the impulse from one neuron to another neuron through synapse. Mainly which synapse we are discussed now? Which synapse? This one is called, which synapse this one? Chemical synapse. Chemical synapse nalli command which one is secretion is occurs? ACH is secreted is occur. ACH secrete agi command it is bind to the which one? Receptors of the which neuron? Postsynaptic membrane neuron. correct? Postsynaptic membrane jotege ee receptor ee acetylcholine can be bind. Clear? Then what is developed in the postsynaptic membrane? Action potential. So action potential develop ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ yes, depolarization start ಅಂದರೆ yes, impulse is transmitted to. Understood students? Okay na? But in the next neuron impulse transmission ಆಗಬೇಕಾ stop ಆಗಬೇಕಾ means what? Either excitatory or inhibitory effect, it is depend upon releasing of ACH. ಅವರಾ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೀರಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಎ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ರಿಟೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ನೋ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಷನ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಹಿಬಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ದ ಇನ್ಹಿಬಿಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೇಟರಿ ಆಫ್ ನರ್ವ್ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ರಿಲೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರ್ಸ್. ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋ. ಇನಿ ಓಕೆ, ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ದ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಎ ಸಿ ಎಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ದ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ನ್ಯೂರಾನ್ ಟು ಅನದರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಥರ ನೀವು ಓದ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್.